Hello guys, this is the lab videos for chapter 4 before your exam. Today I selected 3 questions and we'll work through these questions together, and I hope it would be a help in your homework and quizzes. So as always, read the question. I will bring up all of the data that you might need, and then I will solve the question for you. So again, pause the video and read the question. So as you read the question, you will see we have a data table here and we have a process map here. In the process map, we have direct cost to each of the product and some indirect cost that they tell us with which cost driver we should allocate the money to those. So let's start from here. They want us to calculate the sales for the custom detail. So the custom detail product, we sold them at $32 per unit, and we sold 1,800 of those. So we will calculate the number. So 1,800 of those multiplied by $32 each is $57,000, 600. And they ask about the direct material. So the direct material is 5,800. So 5,800. Let's skip the indirect product cost and find the commission. So the commissions is 1,200. So far we take care of this number, take care of this number. Now we have to find the indirect production cost. So the indirect production cost is $50,000 among all 3 products, and the cost driver that they are telling us to use is a machine hours. So first of all, we have to calculate the machine hours, the cost per each machine hours. So how many machine hours did we use? For the custom detail, we used 1,365. For the large standard, we used 210. And at the end, for the small standard, we use 525. In a total, we use 2,100 machine hours, and it cost us $50,000. So $50,000 divided by 2,100, it says 23.8, something like that. Cost us per hour. Does it seem right? So now, if I use 1,365 of those hours, 1,365, it gives me 32,500. So 32,500. So now total cost of goods. Total cost of goods is with 800 plus 32,500 is 38,000. 38,300. Now it's ask about the gross profit, so it's a 7,600 minus 38,300. It gives us 19,013. So this number just comes with this number minus the total cost of goods. Now we have commissions from here. Now we have to calculate the distribution to the warehouse. It's the same as indirect production cost. So in the indirect production cost, you use $50,000 and you use a machine hours as a cost driver. Now in a distribution cost, you have $10,900 and you have to divide that or use kilograms as a cost driver. So first, before anything, you have to calculate the total kilograms that you use. So for the custom details, you use 28,500 plus 57,000 plus 199,500. So in total, you use 285,000 kilograms. And since the number is so small, we can do something else. So first of all, I will see what percentage of this number I use in the first product. So 28,500 divided by 285,000 that I got. So the 10% is used in the first product. So 10% of this cost would be my indirect distribution cost. So it will be a 1,090. Now the summation of these two numbers is 2,290. And now what's the contribution to the expense and profit? You just need to calculate this number minus 2,290. So 19,300 minus 2,290. So it's 17,010. And let's see if it's right. Yep. So we got the first one right. I strongly suggest to calculate the second one on your own and then listen to how I solve it. So if you want to do that, pause the video, solve the question, and come back and see if your numbers are right. Yes, that's it. So now I will solve the second part. So again, the same. We sold 5,300. 5,300 multiplied by $11 each, so 58. 358,300. The direct material is $19,000. Commission is $3,000. Indirect production cost. So the indirect production cost, I know that there were 2,100, and how many percent that do you use? So 210, no, not that number. 210 divided by the total machine hours among all three products, which is 2,100. It's 10%. So 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. So that's a 5,000. Then you have to add these two numbers. That's a 24,000. And now you have to deduct this 24,000 from 58,000, which leaves us at 34,300. Now we have to calculate the distribution to the warehouses. So I remember that the total kilograms was 285,000, and we have to see what percentage of those is 57,000. So 57,000 divided by 28, 285,000. It's 20% of that 10,000 that we are looking for, and it's 2,180. 2,180. And so the total will be 5,180. So this number minus the gross profit that we have will be 29,120. Right. So before I have 1 minute to solve the last one. So the last one is typically this minus these two number. So let's do that. So we know the total is that, and we have the two products. So 307,900 minus 57,600 minus 58,300. So it's 192,000. And you can do that for all of the rows, and you can just calculate it like what we did for the first two one. So time limit will be up for in 20 seconds. So I'll just put all of the numbers in so you can have that as a practice. So I won't make it in 20 seconds. So let's see the numbers in the second video.